This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Troy Hiroshima. Make your home for the holidays amazing with this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home just minutes away from the desirable Nob Hill area. Spacious floor plan features an updated kitchen with granite counters, stainless appliances including a wine refrigerator and hardwood floors. Upgraded baths with tile surround and a large family room with plenty of space to entertain. On the lower level you have the master suite, master bath and a cozy seating area perfect for some peace and quiet after a hard day. Huge backyard with patio great for hanging out or having a barbecue. Large gate provides access to the alley. New roof was installed in 2019 and re-stucco spring of 2020. This one will not last. Make an appointment to see today. For more information, review